Spreadsheets are used for everything, from household chores to a business's financial plan. But collaborating using Excel or Google Sheets can be difficult. You can't just share parts of a spreadsheet, it's an all or nothing game. Unless you make copies that you then need to consolidate, keeping track of what someone added or changed is hard too, not to mention preventing others from accidentally breaking the file. And when you need input from someone, you have to use email or chat, which can be annoying when keeping tabs on multiple tasks and deadlines. That's why we built Layer, a collaboration platform for spreadsheets. Layer lets you keep your Excel or Google Sheets spreadsheets while seamlessly adding extra functionalities on top. Begin by connecting your spreadsheet and specify who has access to what down to the cell level. Using your preferred spreadsheet tool or Layer Sheets, our own editor, assign tasks and track their progress. Deadlines will trigger automatic notifications to collaborators to avoid annoying follow-up emails. Layer will notify you of any activity and when an action is required from you. All changes are conveniently highlighted. Accept or reject them with a single click. You can also quickly revisit and restore previous changes or versions of your file. It's time to take back control over your spreadsheets. Try Layer today. Connect your spreadsheet and get started in 60 seconds for free. Go layer.io.